Wow, nice. Our parmigiana is nice, lovely. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Hello guys from Maestro Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. Like you see here, we have a big box. Today is my unboxing and in-depth review of this amazing pizza oven that we just got. Yes, it's amazing and we are inside because this is probably the only pizza oven that goes really hot in temperature and it can stay inside the house. Electric from Effeuno. It's a Ferrari for a pizza oven for your house. So I can't wait to show you and then I can't wait to unbox this amazing pizza oven. Every week I do a video unboxing and a review, in-depth review, because this is going to be fun because I'm gonna make a special pizza. Since it's an electric oven, I made something special for you. So make sure you watch until the end and please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for the support and leave a like. So let's take it out and let's open this box. Let's get this done. Basically, this is the oven. One piece, we have two boxes, so let's open up the second box, let's see what's inside. Aha, a special pizza stone. This is, I know this pizza stone because this is saputo biscotto. I'm gonna link it below. To show you because this is actually for pizza Napolitana. So let's see if it's inside also a pizza stone. Yeah. Inside we have the usual manual. Oh, there we go. We have a pizza stone, very thin. This is maybe for the oven, of course. And this is a special pizza stone that you can see is thicker than this one. But today we are going to make a pizza with that's just how it is. And then I'm going to show you a special pizza. So let's put it back this inside. Basically, it's a 12 inches by maybe this is about 5 inches. We can put easily a top, just like that, just in case you want to cook some orecchiette, some pasta al forno, or riso patate cozze. I see here with different temperature, it goes up to 500 Celsius, guys, 500 Celsius, amazing. You can control the top, you can control the bottom, and just, so it's very simple and quick. Let's go ahead and let's turn it on. Guys, with an oven like this, you are able to cook Neapolitan pizza, pizza romana, pasta, riso patate cozze, pasta al forno, focaccia, bread, and then a lot of more things that I'm going to show you in the coming next videos. Because this oven goes really hot in temperature. And today, here, we are going to see if real can cook a pizza. Thumbs up and leave a comment below and tell me what do you want me to cook in this beast. Okay guys, the first thing to do here, I'm going to tell you that today I'm going to cook a special pizza alla pala. So it's a little bit different and of course this is gonna be 80% hydration dough. It's a little bit complicated, like you can see, amazing. And this is to be able to make the nice and puffy pizza. A little bit different from Neapolitan style. In the future video, I'm going to show you how this pizza oven will cook a Neapolitan style pizza. But this is about the same. Here we are going to see today how this oven will work with this with this food that we are going to cook. So how this oven mainly will cook the food. Here we have some amazing brioche. Those are dessert, sweet, typical. If you want to see how those are made, please comment below right now. I'm going to show you how this oven will cook an amazing parmigiana, eggplant parmesan, the authentic way. So first of all, let's go ahead and let's put this amazing brioche in the oven, because the oven right now we have to set it up at 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes. Outstanding, guys. Take a look. Please comment below if you want to see. Woo, that's hot. Hold on. Oh, that's hot. Tell me if you want to see those. Take a look. Nice, soft. Those are typical. Amazing. Let's put the setup the oven at 380 the bottom and 220 on the top. Let's stay 10 minutes. Ciao papà, vuoi la pizza? Vuoi la pizza papà? Vuoi la pizza? Vuoi la pizza? Let's go make the pizza. Okay, let's go ahead and let's make this fabulous pizza. 80% of hydration. This is pizza alla pala. We have to use semolina. So let's go ahead and let's put a bunch of semolina. But I'm in Italy, so I use the Di Vella semolina. Doesn't matter. You need a fine semolina. So let's go ahead and let's place at bottom a lot of semolina, just like that. Now pay attention how I just dump it inside the semolina. One shot. We wait. That gets detached. Wow. Be careful because this dough is really soft, like you can see, very watery. Very watery. So now again, let's get a lot of semolina again on top. Let's gonna put it on top. But don't worry about it, we don't waste the semolina. We're gonna put it in the we're gonna put it back in the box. Just no stretch, just press. Oh my god. It's really, really soft. Done. Gently. Now, gently, let's take the peel where we are home. So I'm gonna use just this really quick. Okay, now gently we gotta take it off all the air, but this step is really hard. So one end here and then put it down, take off all the air and then put it on top of the peel upside down. Just like that. Guys, this dough is really soft. So make sure to be really quick when you do these steps. There we go. You can cook directly on top of pan just like that. That's the size that I have. So now we have to cook it first, this first step. So we're gonna put some tomato sauce. Voila. Let's spread it. I prefer to use my hands because the dough is really delicate. I was saying you can cook this pizza on the pan or you can cook directly on the pizza stone. I'm gonna cook it in the pan because this is 80%, so it's really hard to take it out from the pan. I'm gonna go ahead and cook it just like this until it gets nice. There we go, perfect. We're gonna cook it until it is nice and gold, not all the way. It's halfway cooked. Occhio papà. La pizza pure tu lo so. Be careful, don't get burned. Voila. I cooked the pizza halfway on the peel. So now, see, now we can move it out and this way we are able to just drop it off on top of the oven. So right now, let's set up the oven at the same on the bottom and just put the same temperature on the top. We are cooking about 400, 380, 400. Depends how fast you want the pizza. We check the bottom first. It's perfect. And so we keep the same temperature. If it's a little too much cooked on the bottom, lower down the temperature. That's the best that's the good way. That's the benefit of having an electric oven. You can control the top and the bottom. Nice. We put Parmesan cheese. Now we put some fresh mozzarella. Amazing. The dough is really light, because the higher is the hydration, the lighter will come the pizza. Because the water, when it hits the oven, of course the water will evaporate. So that's the good thing of making high hydration pizza dough. For just a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and cook just a little bit the sausage before we put the pizza inside the oven, because I want to put the sausage on the pizza. So let's go ahead, let's put the sausage in. Couple of minutes. Nice fresh oregano on top. Let's put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top, just to help the cooking part. Let me check. Yes, perfect. I literally keep the sausage, I just kept the sausage in the oven just for really maybe 2 minutes. I'm gonna make just half pizza with sausage. Perfect. Put this one. And now, guys, is the right moment to go ahead and put it on top of the inside the oven. Check. It's a little cold. Perfect. So we make sure. So now let's go ahead and let's cook the oven. Let's put it in the oven until the mozzarella will start to bubble and the pizza is ready. Let's take it out. Wow, fantastic. Woo. That's hot. That was hot. Outstanding. Guys, take a look. Take a look of the pizza. Wow. Wow. Don't forget, let's put the Parmesan inside the oven before everything. We lower down on 170 for the eggplant Parmesan, and this is the pizza. Listen to this. Nice, crunchy, and soft at the same time. Let's shake it out the bottom. Wow, nice. Nice, the sausage, amazing. Woo! Make sure you check out the Pizza United UK, and then also check out all the link below for this amazing oven, this amazing pizza company. I really say thank you to you guys that sent me this oven. It's amazing. Definitely I'm going to make more pizza and then more videos about it. I'm gonna make a pizza napolitana, pizza barese, focaccia and everything. And then we're waiting that the Parmigiana is coming out, and I'm going to eat it, this pizza, and show you the crunchiest, the lovely way how this oven cook. But the nice thing is that the weather is really bad outside, so this oven is good for inside. It's time to eat the pizza. I just want to let you know that this is my first time ever using this oven. The more time that you're going to use an oven, the more time, the better you're going to learn, and the better you will cook the pizza. Look how lovely they come out. Wow, nice, soft. This one, you open it. Wow, you put gelato inside. Tac. Ciao papà. Guarda pizza. Guarda pizza, ti. Com'è? Com'è? Ti. La pizza vuoi tu, eh? She want the pizza definitely. La pizza, tieni, papà, tieni. Let's get in the serious stuff. There we go. Here. Soffia. Soffia, com'è? Make sure you check out that. Make sure you check out her channel, Zoe Kids Toys. Okay, tieni, papa, tieni. Now it's my time. My turn. Outstanding dough. Wow. The bottom come out nice and crispy. And now is the time. Oh my God. Vuoi l'altra pizza, papà? Vieni. 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 Tieni, papà. Prendi la pizza tua. Let me get the parmigiana. I show you how come out. La parmigiana è pronta, papà. Aspetta. La parmigiana è pronta. Let's put the pizza on the side. Wow, like you can see. Woo! Our parmigiana is nice, lovely, juicy. Wow. It's close, eh? And here is the eggplant parmesan. Outstanding, nicely cooks really lovely. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it for all of your support. And please, boom, please tune in and subscribe. I'll see you at the next one. It's free. Ciao.